How to uninstall OpenClaw. All right, guys, it's easy to do. Just simply head over to this web page, which is docs.openclaw.ai/install. Now, once you're on the page, just go ahead and click on install, and you'll be taken to maintenance. And then underneath maintenance, you'd find uninstall. So the uninstallation can happen in two ways. That's the easy method or the manual service removal. That's if the command line is gone, but the service is still running. All right, so basically the easy path is if the command line is still installed, all you need to do is just run this block of code. That's OpenClaw uninstall. Just copy this block of code as I've done, and then you would run your PowerShell and it would uninstall. So go ahead and minimize, and let's open up the command prompt. So open up command prompt. It's going to open up a Windows PowerShell for you. To do this, click on the drop down and select Windows PowerShell. It would lead here. Now just use the Control key and V, paste this in and hit enter, and then OpenClaw is going to be removed from your computer. This is how it's done. So it's going to uninstall the gateway service, the state, the workspace, and if you're using the Mac OS app. So which components? Let's go with gateway service and click on yes. Now that has been done. It has removed the gateway service. Now, but the command line is still installed, so you can remove it via the npm/pnm if desired. So to remove the command line for your OpenClaw, all you need to do is head back to the browser. So to remove the command line, all you need to do is just come here, select npm, this particular block of code, this one here, and now copy this, minimize, and then open up the command line that we were on. Use the Control key and V and hit enter. All right, and this is what you'd get once the OpenClaw has been removed. It removed 563 packages. And now if you were to open up command prompt and type in something like OpenClaw, that's the OpenClaw, and then type in run, you'd find that it doesn't run, it doesn't work. There's no OpenClaw on your computer. I believe if you typed in OpenClaw again, it wouldn't bring up anything. All right, guys.